Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Julia and today we're going to cook Norwegian fish soup together. So let's get started. To cook our Norwegian fish soup, we will need salmon or any other fish. I think it will be enough. 1 head and some fish meat. 2 onions, 1 big potato, 2 carrots, a tomato, some butter, just a little bit, this is enough, 250 milliliters of milk, a little bit of flour, garlic and fennel, and of course salt and pepper. The first thing we need to do is to cook bouillon. For this we need to separate our vegetables. For this we need now only 1 onion and 1 carrot. And of course I will need fish. For this, I separate fish into 2 parts. The first part is this one, where I have a head, a tail, and some other parts that are not necessarily for food, but just to make the right bouillon. The second part is much better. This one we will use after. Now we will take a big pan and put some water inside. Now we take the head and put it inside the water. We do the same with the rest of the fish. We just put inside. We put these parts too. And leave it here for 30 minutes. Then we take our carrot and onion, cut it into these big parts and add into the water. While the fish is boiling, we can get busy with other vegetables. Let's take the other carrot and the other onion and chop them into pieces. Now we take a frying pan, then we put some oil in it, and we put our chopped vegetables inside. What we have to do is to leave these vegetables for 10-15 minutes till they become soft. So let's forget about these 2 things for a while and get busy with our potato and tomato. Let's chop them into big pieces, like 1 centimeter. Then you need to separate your potato and tomato and leave them for some time. After 20 minutes you should add pepper and salt into your bouillon. Then you keep boiling this fish for more 10 minutes. Now let's make our special sauce, bechamel sauce. For this we need to prepare in advance the fennel and the garlic. I think this is enough, so let's chop it. We put the fennel aside, and now to make our bechamel sauce we need butter, garlic, milk and flour. Let's do it! Since my vegetables are ready, I don't need to wash it. I will use the same frying pan to make my sauce. So let's add some butter first, then we add garlic, then we add milk and boil it. Then you need to add some flour, but just a little bit. You need to stir, stir, stir. Take away these pieces and make it very smooth. Then add some more and stir. So now we wait till it boils. Alright, it's boiling, and now we need to add some pepper and some salt. And we add some fennel as well. We mix it and turn off the cooker because the sauce is ready. Now the bouillon is ready and we can separate the fish and the bouillon. Now I take this clean bouillon and put it again on fire, and I will wait till it boils again. Then it's boiling again. Now we add potatoes. Now we need to wait when it's half ready, and then we will add other vegetables. Now, when the potatoes are ready, almost ready, you need to add carrots and onion, fish, and tomatoes. When all the ingredients are inside, let's put some more salt. So leave it here maybe for 3 or 5 minutes. The last thing we need to do is to add our special sauce inside, and it's ready. So the fish soup is finally ready, and tonight I invited Rafael, my husband, to try it. Hi Rafael.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm okay. And you?
I'm alright, thank you. So let's try this soup, and since you know a lot about food, you can give your honest opinion how it is.
Let's do it.
So what's your impression about the soup? For me, I really like it.
It's very good. Mole hot story with fish. Salmon.
Salmon. So how is the soup?
It's very good soup. This mix of the ingredients is very good. I like these tomatoes you put here. Normal, I don't like the tomatoes in soup, but this is very good.
Thank you.
Almost one chef cooker.
Thank you. So today I cooked this fish soup, and I hope that you learned something new. You learned new words in English, and you also learned the new recipe. I hope you really liked this video, and see you soon. Bye bye.
Bye.